Hello everyone, this is Dave Grime from the Grime team and welcome to 329 Rebecca Drive here in Orangeville. I can't wait to show you this home and show you exactly what they've done to the interior, the renovations, and the basement. So let's not waste any time and get down to the top 5 reasons why this home might be perfect for you. 329 Rebecca is located in a family-friendly neighborhood in the north side of Orangeville. Close to the off-leash dog park, the Orangeville Mall, and the Orangeville Fairgrounds for every amenity you could dream of. Schools and parks are just a quick stroll away. The lot is good size, measuring 34 feet by 113 feet and features a walkout basement. The house is linked by the garage only, so it's pretty much a detached home. Well, let's go inside and take a look at this beauty. The main floor layout of this house is awesome for entertaining. The kitchen is open to the living and dining areas and walks out to a gorgeous deck overlooking the backyard. The main floor laundry is super convenient and located just off the kitchen. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms, and the master bedroom is a great size, featuring a walk-in closet and an updated semi-ensuite. Now let's get to reason number 3. Now the kitchen isn't only the hub of the home for cooking, but also for entertaining, and your friends and family will be blown away by this bright, cheery, fully renovated, updated kitchen. Quartz counters, undermount lighting, beautiful backsplash, stainless steel appliances, pot lights, and the trendy tile floors are just a few features that everyone will notice. Now, we haven't even seen the downstairs yet, which brings me to reason number 2. Let's go. Now, this fully renovated lower level would serve as a great basement apartment or an in-law suite. It walks out to the backyard and boasts a kitchen, living room, a 3-piece bathroom, and a bedroom. It would be great for family, guests, or simply for additional income. Now, my number 1 reason is all the upgrades that have been done to this fine home. Almost everything in the house has been upgraded for years of worry-free living. Now I'm going to go through a couple, but it's going to be quick. The kitchen, bathrooms, lighting, painting, garage door, basement, new crown molding, appliances, trim work, furnace, every bedrooms, and the laundry. All the floors, all the doors, all the gardens, and even more. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of this fine home on Rebecca Drive here in Orangeville. Be sure to check out more information at www.thegrimeteam.com. And until next time, this is Dave Grime signing off. Have a great day.